To adjust the DPI settings on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, we're going to start by opening settings on our device. Now, first thing to find is the font size. So let's open display and brightness and then look for the font. Now, if we go into font settings, we'll be able to adjust our font size, which also scales the display size. So let's adjust it to 200 just to show you that. And then if I go back, hopefully it will apply. As you can see, it doesn't. So let's change to that. Yep, now it actually applied that bigger font. So sometimes it bugs out and you just need to switch to different font to adjust that size. As you can see, now it works fine when you just switch between them. And next step is the display size, which might be important as well. So scroll down to the main page of the settings and find additional settings. Then look for accessibility, and inside we can find the vision options and then the display size. This allows you to adjust the display size between extra small, small or large size. And then just confirm it, and that way you'll be able to adjust all of the DPI settings. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.